children, we'll be learning how to do addition with regrouping. Okay, so what is with regrouping? It is nothing but how to carry forward a number from the previous columns, right? So on the board I have an example. It is 58,346 and it is 35,847. So I'll be writing these numbers in the respective place values. Okay, now I'm adding the numbers. So always we'll be starting from the ones column, right? So in the ones column I have 6 plus 7. So what is 6 plus 7? It is after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? So what is the answer? 13. So here I need to write 3 in the ones column and I need to carry this 1 to the tens column over here. So I need to write 1 over in the tens column. Now in the tens column I have 4 plus 4. So what is 4 plus 4? After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I got the answer 8. To this 8, I need to add the carry over here in the tens column, which is 1. So 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So the answer is 9, which 9 tenths or 9. So I will be writing this 9 in the tens column. Okay, now in the hundreds column, I have 3 plus 8. So 3 plus 8. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So the answer is 11. So to this 11, I will be writing this 1 over here in the hundreds column and I will be doing this 1 as a carry in the thousands column over here. Okay, now in the thousands column I have 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? I got 13 as the answer. To this 13, I will be adding this one which is a carry in thousands column. So I will be adding 1. So 13 plus 1 is 14. So this 14 thousands will be written as 4 in the thousands column and 1 will be written as a carry in the 10,000s column. So here I have 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is nothing but after 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and to this 8 I will be adding the carry which is 1 over here, right? So I will add the carry number which is 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So now I will be writing this answer 9 over here in the 10,000s column which is nothing but the 90,000s, right? So when I add both these numbers, I get the sum or total as 94,193. So what is the answer? 94,193. So this is how you do addition with regrouping. Okay, any number of digits or any number of digits or any number of numbers, more than 2 numbers or 3 numbers, you need to arrange them. Okay, start from the ones column, keep adding it. If you get 2 digits, then you need to carry forward the number to the next column and you keep on adding the carry with the answer. Okay, this is how you do addition with regrouping, children. There is an exercise in your textbook related to this topic and also examples along with this text. Please open your textbooks, go through them and practice it. Now children, we will be learning one more new concept, that is missing numbers. So on the board I have a question. So before finding out how to find the missing blanks or the missing numbers in these blanks, I need to tell you that this is the first row, okay, this is the second row and this is the sum row. So why are we calling it as a sum row? Because we know that when you add 2 numbers, the result is nothing but the sum or total. So that's the reason we are calling this as sum row. So this is first row, okay, this is second row and this is sum row. Okay, now so If I want the number to be filled in this blank or this blank or this blank or this blank, how do we do it? Okay, when there is a missing number in the sum row, if I add the numbers of the first and second rows, then automatically I will have the answer, right? So, and I can write the answer in the sum row so that I can get the missing number. But you will say, ma'am, I have a number which is missing in the first row or the second row. So how should I do it? So then you need to subtract the number of either the first row or the second row with the sum row. Okay. So whatever the statement I have said, to have better understanding, we'll do this problem so you can understand. Now see, I will be starting from ones column. In the ones column, I have 7, the digit in first row, and in the second row also I have a digit 1. So in the first and second row, I don't have any missing numbers. So directly to find the missing number in the sum row, I will be adding the first row and the second row digits, which are nothing but 7 plus 1. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is how much? After 7, 8. So the answer is 8. So directly I can say that 8 is the missing number which is in the sum row in the ones column. Now I will be moving to tens column. I don't have any missing number. Okay. Now I will be moving towards hundreds column. In the hundreds column I have 4 plus. Okay. Here the number is missing. And in the sum row I have 7. So what should I do? I need to subtract. I have said children, right? So if there is a number missing in first row or second row and you have the sum row number or the digit, you need to subtract it. So 7 minus 4, which is nothing but after 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 3. So I will write this 3, answer 3 over here in the missing block. Okay, so now I got the missing number. This is how I do. Now, in the thousands row, I don't have a number or I have a missing number in thousands column. Now, thousands column is empty in the first row, and in the second row, I have the digit 3, and in the sum row, I have digit 9. So, what should I do now, children? So, I need to subtract 9 minus 3, right? So, I need to subtract 3 from 9. So, 9 minus 3 is nothing but after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 6. So I will be writing this digit 6 over here in the missing block. Okay. Now in the 10,000s column I have 5 plus 2. So after 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. I will be writing 7 over here in the missing block. So this is how you do or find the missing numbers when you have some of the digits in first row, second row and in the sum row. Okay children, you need to remember this point that if you want to find a missing number in the sum row, you need to add the first and second row digits. Okay. If you want to find a number in the first row, missing number in the first row, then you need to subtract the digit of the second row from the sum row. Okay. If you want to find the missing number in the second row, then you need to subtract the first row digit from the sum row. This is how you do missing numbers. There is an exercise in your textbook. Please practice it.